Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Honorable member for Banayamwa. Na ohumpo te saying. Na die na asi a wo bob na se wakwan nyi e die na wa bato mpɛso aso nti a ususu se wo se da ba asfalt mponi yemegu mfama wo
yo mini adakabre ma memfa wafidie so na menchia etiefo a omutie Need FM ene ewiai o platform no so nti me da se ne akwanya a wo de amame na adakabre se wo ba mempeso so ha for the past 3 weeks ya bad news no ma say ye kwan no e free in soko to manye any e free manye e ko bui kwan no river chin no ayi insu atama chin na yire ama na yi ne tie ne gravels na egu bridge ni nyina so afri so ama ka nko kamba say ufre the say in soko e ko banabo ase a eno insuo bechi no so afa ho eno so kanko kama se ufri menji ho so eko sampa eno so rivanyin pre no so ayire ayi netie ni nyina afi so ho so kanko kama enti ayese German of time part of time any banna nyina no we are cut off from coming to Kumasi Wenchi Accra enti eno ena eba ya mi free Accra call ya me di media for call ya na yekoye inspection na yekoye inspection no monitoring no na nsem bi epie wom na me ka say e wo say ye ne mo eche enti eye pa say wa frame na ne tie ni say ekwan na ye kan ni nyina no say uhwe ne ya wo mo pa ni say e free manye eko bui no it was part of the bui down project. The portion of government of Ghana 60 million counterpart funding no and no na e was a year no uja it was given to 4 contractors. In contractors no ba ku wie ni die your friend Dynamic Stars enti ono ofidoma ha ya enti otimi yire no ho ayi ni die na owie ya no so na ye nim se so mu wie bui da na enso no be fa ba be yira fa kwan no so ento mu wie bui lake no sign e for me ya e sign e be fa kwan no so ma be say it free circle to Tesano nyina no na ayire ensu agina o te say na enti na wo say o sign diversion alakabre this same contractor etimi ye lobby ama aban eman new contract and o sign divert quantity ya go kotar mi no baba ko de ensu ayira faso contractors no so third one no so ewu free mu ena eka mienu no enwie eno mo ba ye ho senka ye enforce na contract no mu wie kura na mo break even ye enforce na ye ntwam na ka say aban the contract ma wa aban fufuro ba no twam a emwa enti mu enforce na mu wie eno mo ntimi awie ndi o wie ya no so nanka ye package o no bi say ye package boasi de no emma no na ye guso aye papers nyame ncha de ena na Dubai no di ma contractor ye ko hwe mu contractor na o di ma no eye Alhaji Mutar Bamba onu so onyi kwanda oni experience into okoye na no di okoha obi grader di ko ji kwanu si na no fa di grader no ko into ko contractor bi an side na net gravels na was that no esa so ni experience o gravels ni nyina gu so ama baby ana nsuo ni kwa nsuo no toye no ayira ma nsuo makumako kese makumako nan na apie e wo kwan no so bridge ba kokura onye into they say enu akoye problem a ekrafo no ntimi mfa omono bae emma wenchi na upe baby a bayire po na ni lagba e wopa e obana e sam potemo enu so ni last pan no se e bana wantimi amfa makurinte jasintema utufu a epro into when serious challenges are ewe ye mpesa ho na ye kase kwa Minister of Roads me di kan ko Minister of Roads na even minister no ko abrotire ba the deputy no na fo onabo oso adomi in fact na ono se ne ya se na ya party ba ya ma contractor ube ya ma aban anya munyam no kose kwan na waja contractor na gu contract na gu ente enumanimu ya ombeko no mo akwa ye baabi o bia no they will bring him back into weni anamo a yato
enti ususu se ene ye dam no a ye bubuyi no ena ama nsuo na bu afaso ana se u kan se eye kwan ena contractor Muktar Bamba wanyi ni yi ntina ama nsuo no abu afaso ana
adakabre we dia na nsuo no bu faso no ya fa ye diverse for frago sukutal enti e hopos ne de ka akoka ba but a free in soccer to Boasina that portion of Mudima Muktar Bamba no Boasi Bema Krachi Krum we are see Krum any time no nina obian to me man soccer because Gravus now say ye point omu ye point no 2000 1999 2000 to 2001 and no mudi Gravus no eguso enti if afibia no more ye reshaping but as I said this one 2017 the man say ongusu kotar na only within 18 months na ongusu kotar na as I said on the capacity ninti ono Gravus kakra na eguso no waji enu kra eguso intention no to ya no ama erosion no iti fast into baby na stream any kra no be huna stream epi wo and this is a serious challenge ya ka say minister and supervisory team no omunfra no adenti na what demobilize the African side because you have 18 months na you have 2017 na you have 18 months say gusukotar na after 18 months no until from 2017 2018 we are in 2019 ungusukotar ungusu grabo umasi tipa truck back krampo anywhere so if there are challenges I was send you the contract man umana sote na say a jai kwanu buo say one fight grade and anko fast in the first place and grabo kakaka no wo ha ka ebe say food pafa nika be ko ka be ba enti for contract na omudi ama ono no de onu ni inefficiency and na amasa kwanu kra aye unmotorable and impassable at this point in time.
Enti adisredi ne saying
adisredi ne say madikai akọ ministry no and run so media for no frame Muktar Bamba or see or prepare no better other side and am say construction no adakabre say who the normal cost site ye more mobilization fee in the usai e demobilize e for the their free site there must be a reason what I say because and demobilization no come with a cost and contract bi wo ho say wo share sa kwan na ni tenten bridges e was oye no enye small bridges enti enimani mu ya mafutuo ni say Muktar Bamba san ko enimani mu ya na onko ya bridges no first say otimi ya bridges no na ongu kotar ongu gabos no kwa cars no betimi ayuso the bridges in the interim na one year no na uko na waji eyina guso no for years ka entimi faso e basa na nipa betra consensus yo ombedi MP atem ombedi president atem but near MP ni president ben say omudi kwanu be ma contractor president nso e di ama wo contractor into odi ama wa wanya bebi ama wa say ye monokro no wanye de bi obi asori asobo ni atembidie na no mudi en na say abai ye koya na say ye bai and that is the challenge now.
Honorable member for Bana Muktar Bamba ususu se orina ye contractor one no the terms of contract say the nature of the road that is on konkoye
quota
acha na fe bridge ya wo san adwiri bridge gu no so the contract no does it increase on your bridge
quota ra unye bridge
oh sa na wo unsusu yedie mu
adakabre na ifo na obegu quota ra unye bridge mi adakabre
Pacho to suggest to say yeah the road contract ma will be ana include bridge no may not be that accurate. The person say we a member of parliament. If I could finish, we a member of parliament. What me identify contractor? What say BB and Pacho, if I could finish. Pacho, if I could finish. Honorable member, the person Busa say, what contractual terms between roads and highways representing Ghana, any Muktar Bamba en ekwan no sɛdeɛ yɛsi wɔn fanya no bridge dodo a wɔso bridge ni nyinaa no ɔnye ni nyinaa wahunu biribi saa
adakabanya bridges no dodo no na meni ba contract no ma ho and that is what I need to see and then your man agene so makon ho ama meni na kasa and that is the second point and I'm a culture say fight one so makoho and I meni wo kasa ye kasa wi afaka na koho wo be ko ni signboard si wa ni dingu so
the person a bridge was here ya wo kasa nya bridge you know ka contract de ma Mutaba Bamba
pa me no wi afa no bisa no
Oye it is sia no emuaye bi aba
yeah deputy minister for roads no say in fact eye ne ya na odi ho yaw na mbra na Mutaba Bamba pe contract no da bia na oba minister na wanya wi a wagya so as say me ha omu a omu twabo president no eye ne ya into obetu ho anamo. That was the assurance he gave me.
And now you're sure, say, a deputy minister, no, MPP, no, and no walk Mutaba Bamba, a chira, a match that will say the walkani.
Oh, do we also hear trouble the president? Didn't the minister attempt on ye, Jumana, no so my that is the charge.
Who no, Usu say, Odi yaw, and now say, or catch it, say, Odi Mutaba Bamba yaw.
Or see, Odi yaw say, Mutaba Bamba, I'm a president, and Guasi, because I call Facebook, I call baby.
Waye inti eyawdie na chire no ose den no beye
ose obefre na ma de ntia wa demobilize Africa tell ye no kwese de means say why kini machines in Africa no so no say eye no kwede a obema na side the machines na ko
itine so ono kra no ministry no ehuni say contractor Mutaba Bamba watwene no ma afri na wonu akodi hon konkonsa say hwe ni ho eno so obekwa akwe say no kra
adaka be no de mia na me ye
you
Emma, I am a Juma say it was a me because supervision is part of leadership.
The Obi Anyi watching inti the Bayan say a handful na Edigana Mampanyina Temono.
And I can be what you want to say. You quite as if say any president. What's the Uma contractor? Timamufono, ending say, we and say, we and say, oh, you are leadership, and I quite even me. Ndiye na mimi di ho ya say even MPP for mu ho kwa na omu enye aware say omu president e die kwa na makwa no they were all insulting me but e ya dia nka Mutaba Bamba as a national organizer or ye kwa na ka MPP for ho kwa no ko mu ani beji say omu ban say national cake na omu anya omu die so de omu di ho ya say omu ntimi ma omu nko omu ma let a party ayesom no ma for be na wo so that is what they are saying there
ni kra na akoye say wa ye du atemfa kwan no ho na wo akwakobo wo maso say mo mu ni watem no mu ni Ghana mampanyina tem
adaka be omu di mi ni Ghana mampanyina tem so na me ko e ba news ko be Adum FM be bia na e ko
ti no mo se Ghana mampanyina no mu di na tem san kam yentie
adaka be ya say 2016 oba kromo no ka say me na Akufo Addo moto kwan ma mi akwan moto aba kwan we meye ampara yo mutu man 2017 adaka be meaning say o di ama contract but omo ho no ennim
oye honorable member for Bana deputy minority chief whip Ibrahim Ahmed yebeda wase na yebedi akira akwa district chief executive ho sesen
adaka be in fact me call no ono so unse untimi fa assembly sika enye is beyond her capacity. Inti ono so ka se wa man panyimfo so ati na onim so mbetu wana mo
right yede wase pa
yo misimi da asimini ase wa frem nya min sira obibre inti ama me wo conference yo na o cha na o cha ki dembe wank inti adaka bre ya kasa ya cha me ba ya nkasa
uti si yebe yeku Ghana na wadwane akwhye conference
ai adaka bre na ko to dream adaka bre the cool ben na bitimi asi Ghana
na fe odi ka kwhye kura asasen
adaka bre mini kwanye na me mini kwanye ku asema adaka bre ye kai enya dia mesre ma Ghana for ensi so se obi ye miss obi fum ko a ye mfum nya there is no way say adaka bre you can classify this a cool ana say ye ba governance adaka bre normal bi wo ho a uka statement bi wo ho a ubie wa no na uka na say ugu oman no ho fi even invested, it will scare investors away from the country. In some be wa you bet me akaba, no ma be wa mumma yemfa ho enka. Let me tell you point blank. Ye krampa ye wo position kwa no pa ebon say, e ma be boni bia ntu na akofo ado. Ono se obetimi aso a, ye ma ni so anonko. E ye 4 years na dia ma no. Ope won po 4 years no obeka. That is it.
Inti CNN. CNN added a 2-minute read story at the about with the headline Ghana arrests 3 suspects allegedly plotting to destabilize the country.
Power for movement investi. Oh, Ghana is the most conducive country. A good atmosphere for investment. Yemai no asunye wum. Obianfa basa nim. Utimi da Ghana. The Ghana is a peaceful country. Ya marketing. Quantity for investors aba. And not CNN whole worldwide, BBC worldwide. Even Lit FM in the Mukasai Obia 80 ewo baby. In this BBC no yes so far no manuswa. We are collapsing the national business economy. Into the economy. This kind of statements that I and what of mine. Now, me say I buy and handle these issues very well. And say the number of security work, the amount of security worker, Minister of Interior and Defense no more. And one can the security men are working. But kitchen knife ya se jende no ba di ko tawo jadi o se dio then you come and say oh obi ba be to abanagu se ochina anane obi di sika ba be bia adwuma ma Ghana mabro no anya bia ya na waka se o yesi Ghana asunye no ntimi nko na se kwan na ye
okay honorable member yedo asepa
da me da wase
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.